pouring down the river. Ooh, pouring, pouring, pouring down the river. Hello, my healthy people. Welcome back to Maxine's Corner. What is it that you see there? Yes, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a delicious fat cutting smoothie meal replacement from scratch, okay? Because a lot of you have been requesting this video, so I'm just going to go ahead and make it for you, show you how simple and easy it is without protein powder. You don't really need it to make a meal replacement shake, smoothie, whatever you want to call it, from scratch. The first thing that we're going to be using here, this is a flax chia blend. So this is packed full of omega-3s and fiber, which is going to keep you full longer. And also we have rolled oats. I have half of a cup of rolled oats here. And we know that oats is good for your cholesterol as well. And we have an apple a day keeps the doctor away. So packed full of fiber also, which is going to keep you full longer, helps with your bowel movements. We have our healthy fats, and we also have half of a banana, which is potassium. Now with this, you can either use a cup of water, give and take. We're going to see if we're going to need a little bit more depending on how sweet or not so sweet that you want it. Hey guys, but before I get started, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Weight loss tips, healthy foods. There you go. What's better than that? Go ahead and hit that little button that says subscribe, and don't forget that bell, because that's how you're going to get your notifications, okay? So let's get started. Let's go ahead and assemble our ingredients. I'm putting my apples in. Add your banana, avocado. Add my rolled oats. My flax chia blend, a cup of water. Now once again, you guys can use coconut water, but I'm using 1 cup of water, and that should be more than enough. And then just to make it a little bit thicker, I'm gonna add crushed ice, half a cup of crushed ice. Pretty much gonna close this. Alrighty, so it's all done. It's very thick. This is a meal replacement smoothie, which is perfect and healthy for you, and would also help you to lose weight as well, okay? Pouring down the river. Ooh! Pouring, pouring, pouring down the river. Smoothie. You are so delicious. All right, my healthy people, this is what it looks like. It's absolutely delicious. I know, because I make it all the time. How do you know, Maxine? Because I make it, that's why. Hello. All right, so it's time to go and enjoy this deliciousness. If there's anything that you guys want me to make, please leave it in the comment section, and I'll do my best to make it for you. This was absolutely a request. How to make a meal replacement shake without using protein powder. And this is the perfect way to make it. It is healthy. It's going to help you lose weight. There's no chemicals. There's nothing in it. It's perfect for you, okay? It's going to keep you full all day, baby. Keep you full. Keep you full. Okay, that's it. That's all I have for Maxine's Corner today. If you love this video, go ahead and give it what? A big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. And what? Say it. Stay healthy.